Toto English. Home. Listen, write, read, and repeat. Toto is in the kitchen. Toto is in the living room. Toto is in the bathroom. Toto is in the bedroom. Toto is in the dining room. Toto is in the loft. Toto is in the basement. Toto is in the garage. I am in the kitchen. I am in the living room. I am in the bathroom. I am in the bedroom. I am in the dining room. I am in the loft. I am in the basement. I am in the garage. He is in the kitchen. He is in the living room. He is in the bathroom. He is in the bedroom. He is in the dining room. He is in the loft. He is in the basement. He is in the garage. See you soon. Next lessons.